Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Braun ear and nose trimmer. This pack contains one ear and nose trimmer and one AA battery. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This ear and nose trimmer is easy to use, and it is perfect for trimming nose and ear hair without pulling and tugging. This user manual provides instructions to end users on how to properly and effectively operate the ear and nose trimmer. And it is translated into multiple languages. This ear and nose trimmer operates with one AA 1.5 voltage battery. Due to its compact design, you can easily take this ear and nose trimmer from Braun everywhere with discretion and convenience. So, this trimmer is perfect for traveling and busy lifestyles. This ear and nose trimmer is washable for easy cleaning under running water. This trimmer contains a high-performance circular blade system that removes nose and ear hair without pulling and tugging. Before inserting the battery, ensure that the device is turned off and completely dry. Turn the battery cover and pull it off. Then, insert the battery with a positive pull-up and replace the battery cover. To use your trimmer, remove the protective cap and then slide the on-off switch up. The AA battery promises to offer up to 120 minutes of trimming time. Please like, comment, and subscribe.